Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to install. In this case we're going to be removing the bracket that goes for your finisher. So if you're getting the machine from us, you will receive this metal plate. I call it a bracket, but it's much bigger than a bracket. And you're going to receive that on top of the copier. So I'm making this video so you can see how it goes and where it goes. So what we're going to do is just make sure you align it with that hole that you see there. And we're also going to put the screws where they're supposed to be so you know. So we're going to put the screws back. That's going to be your bottom screw. That of course is your top left, bottom left, and your bottom center. So just remember, take those 5 screws out that you see there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just align it to which is going to be this, the very top hole right here on the right. So it's going to be just like that. Okay, so those screws will let you know where it goes.